As well as inserting images from the stock pile or from the internet, you can also insert images that you've already saved. So I took pictures on my phone of images from the book. I sent it to myself and I cropped them. And now I'm going to insert them into the PowerPoint. So I'm going to go to Home again. And I'm going to insert a new slide. I'm going to put the drop down arrow and it's going to be title and content. Okay. And I'm just going to call this uniforms. Against reading activity. Okay. And here I'm just going to insert the picture. So this time I'm going to go to Insert up on my ribbon. I'm going to go to Picture. And this time I'm going to go to this device. I've saved it in my pictures. And I've saved the first one as John. So I'm just going to look for John JPEG and I can open it. And John is inserted in, so I can move him over. I'm then going to insert again another picture from this device. And this time it's Marie I'm looking for. And it's Marie JPEG. And I'm going to open it up. And I'm going to move her over. And then the final one, again, insert picture from this device. I'm going to go to Sarah. And open. Okay. And I'm going to put in some more text because I want to give them an instruction. I want them to think about what do the three people do. Okay, so I'm going to insert a text box. What do these three people do? Okay, hold. I'm making it a bit bigger, so I'm going to go, I'm on the home screen, I'm in font, and see we have the big A and the small a. I'm going to go to the big A and make it bigger. Okay. So what do these three people do? So they're going to guess, and then they're going to read the text to find out. So I'm going to put in a new slide, but this time I'm going to duplicate it. Okay, so I'm going to duplicate this slide. So I'm going to go here and duplicate selected slide. So it's exactly the same, except this time I'm just going to say, read the text to find out. And it's on page 23. Okay. And I'm going to leave it at that. So when we come to the slideshow and the class, I have this slide in. I'm going to ask class, what do they think these people do? They can guess. Okay, let's see if you've guessed correctly. We're going to read the text to find out. Okay, and then you can again come up with the answers. So we're going to duplicate the slide again. So I'm going to insert. So I'm going to go to home, home. I'm going to go to new slide, but duplicate selected slides, which is this one. And this time I'm going to take this out. I'm going to insert text and I'm going to insert text box again. And flight attendant. And pharmacy. And here I'm just going to copy it. So I'm going to select the box, press Control C, Control V, and that copies it. And then rather than insert text box. And then I can highlight this text and say secondary school student. Okay, and I see that I've got something spelled incorrectly. So I'm going to right click on it and then it'll give me the correct spelling. And as before, I'm going to put animations in this. So I'm going to put animation up here, pharmacy worker up here, student up here. Okay, and then we can discuss after they read the text what they think the people do, etc.